If you're a beginner entering the stock market, and the hidden emotional toll of the market. Day trading is a high-frequency environment. Capital is exposed to rapid price swings, moving sharply against you in minutes. Many traders also use margin, essentially borrowing money from their broker to increase their position size. This amplifies any potential gains, but it also multiplies your losses just as fast. Those rapid losses trigger severe psychological reactions. It's incredibly easy to experience a loss and immediately start revenge trading to win it back, or abandon your strategy entirely out of the fear of missing out on a sudden rally. Long-term investing carries a completely different risk profile. Here, the primary threat isn't a 5-minute price swing, but broad macroeconomic downturns that drag the entire market lower.
This chart shows how time itself acts as a risk management tool. A severe market plunge might ruin a trader's day, but an investor with a multi-year horizon has the opportunity to wait out temporary volatility and capture a gradual recovery. But that requires its own distinct type of emotional discipline, the extreme patience to watch your portfolio drop 20% during a bad year and do absolutely nothing. Day trading demands elite, daily emotional suppression, while investing demands long-term psychological fortitude. Your natural temperament will largely dictate which one you can survive. That brings us to our final evaluation metrics: capital requirements, taxes, and hidden costs. Frequent day trading triggers short-term capital gains taxes in the US, which are generally taxed at a much higher rate than long-term holdings. Buying and selling multiple times a day accumulates continuous friction, from transaction fees to the bid-ask spread on every single trade. Take a look at this bar chart. You might generate a solid gross return on a short-term trade, but once you subtract the chunk taken by short-term taxes and the piece lost to frequent trading fees, your net return shrinks considerably. Conversely, holding an asset long-term triggers favorable long-term capital gains tax rates. With minimal trading, the friction practically disappears, allowing you to keep a much larger share of your gross return. The trade-off for these tax benefits is liquidity. To get those favorable rates, your capital must remain locked in the market, untouched for years. And regardless of which strategy you choose, one rule is absolute:
Never risk money you need for rent, groceries, or upcoming emergency expenses. The sheer weight of those taxes and costs makes day trading an uphill mathematical battle. You have to generate significantly higher gross returns just to break even with an investor who simply bought and held. When we look at all these metrics together, a clear picture emerges. Day trading is an active skill used to generate income, while long-term investing is a passive tool used to preserve and grow wealth. To make your final choice, let's run through the market identity matrix. If you are a beginner with substantial daily free time and you possess a highly disciplined emotional baseline, you might be a candidate for day trading. But if you take that route, you must treat the market like a strict profession, complete with rigid rules and relentless risk management. And your very first step must be opening a paper trading account. You need to prove you can execute your mechanics and manage your emotions consistently before risking a single dollar of real money. Now, let's trace the other path. If you have a full-time job, limited bandwidth, and want to avoid high daily stress, your endpoint is clear. Long-term investing is the optimal choice here. It allows you to build wealth for retirement steadily, without forcing you to sacrifice the life you're living right now. Whichever path you land on, the prerequisites are exactly the same. Build a solid cash emergency fund first, and educate yourself on market fundamentals before you begin. Real financial progress doesn't come from chasing overnight riches based on a social media post. It comes from executing a disciplined plan that honestly aligns with the reality of your life, your constraints, and your goals.
Top motorcycle accident lawyer.